Move! Quick! Well, they right that area. They're coming!
Over there?
Yeah.
You're gonna be farther than me.
No, I'm gonna move up this bit.
Alright.
Here's the battle plan, soldiers. You shoot them until they die.
Guys, how many guys behind that wall? There's a bunch of guys over there. Whoa! Cover, cover, cover! Hey guys, cover me, I'm moving back.
Oh man.
Well, watch that side, left side of the bunker, watch it.
They're going back.
Dead guys, take a side.
Hit. God dang it.
Yeah, sure, go. This is not a brilliant place to be.
We feel like throw this over there.
No!
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
We'll wait for what am I waiting for then?
Unless you can throw it extremely far.
Oh shit, they're all right there. This is about to be bad. This is about to be really bad. Okay.
Hope he killed somebody.
Ah, I'm hit. Okay, fuck. Dead! The one behind the area. Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it. We got one on the left side of the bunker here, laying down.
Smoke.
Is that for us or them?
That's for them, I think.
Oh, it's not doing that. Now it is.
Okay. They're gonna come straight through that.
We have guys on our right now. This is an issue.
Sorry. Oh.
Yeah,
Hey, look at that.
no, he's out, he's out, he's out. We got a guy on our left coming though. I see him. They won't be able to get us from here.
Get ready to take him.
Hey, if you want to poke out and get a distraction, maybe I could probably pop one or two. Just get them shooting at you instead of this side. Oh no, that's a bad idea. I like.
That's a distraction I got.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, they know where you are now. Okay. The guy who I'm trying to pop is poking his head back up. Like he's... Okay. There's the guy with the pistol about to run at us, by the way.
Get ready.
Yeah. He's coming.
That's all you, man. I can't get him.
Yeah, no, he's coming. I'll try, but I'll definitely get hit.
Better than nothing.
Oh, I see him.
Just get anticipated and get ready.
Yeah.
Shoot
Yeah,
him
he's
before.
talking about it. He's talking about it.
Shoot him before he gets here.
Hopefully. Nice shot. Okay.
Oh, that's smoke, smoke,
Yeah,
smoke.
Oh, it's coming from our right now.
No, I'm not close enough. Hit.